This problem is asking you to simplify this expression. This expression is a bunch of monomials. I have x to the negative fourth times x to the negative seventh times x to the fifth. And it is using the property of exponents that is called the product of powers, which means when you're multiplying different powers. When you, the rule for this says if I have two powers that are the same base, please remember the base is the big letter or number that's holding up the exponent, so that's the base. If they're the same base, then all I have to do is add the exponents. So in this case, x, they all have the same base, so all I have to do is add the exponents. Negative 4 plus negative 7 plus 5. And when I do that, negative 4 plus negative 7 is negative 11. If I add a positive 5 to that, I end up with 6. Negative 6. Now, that answer is not over here, because what you need to remember what negative exponents mean. Negative exponents do not mean negative numbers. They mean move. So let me show you that property of exponents. If you have a power to a negative exponent, it means if it's in the numerator, you move it to the denominator. And when you move it, the exponent becomes positive. So this negative n, it doesn't mean a negative number. It means move that exponent. If I had, I'm going to go over here and write, if I had a negative exponent that was in the denominator, it means move. It's going to move to the top. And when it moves to the top, the negative n becomes a positive n. So be sure to move when you see negative exponents, but when you move them, take the negative off, because that's the whole point. So I'll leave you to find that answer then, what that really means once you move that negative exponent.